Is there any software to track a laptop after a factory reset?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore an important topic. Is there any software that can track a laptop after a factory reset? This question can be crucial, especially when dealing with lost or stolen laptops. Let's dive into the details.
What is a factory reset?
A factory reset essentially wipes your laptop clean, bringing it back to the original system state as it was when you first received it. This means all your personal files, settings, and installed applications are erased.
Can a laptop be tracked after a factory reset?
The unfortunate reality is that most traditional laptop tracking software solutions cannot function after a factory reset. This is because these tools typically rely on being installed on the system's operating system. Once the system is wiped clean, these tools are removed and can no longer communicate their location. However, some advanced security tools and services may offer methods to survive a factory reset, although they are often more complex to set up and may require specific hardware.
What are BIOS-based or firmware-based tracking solutions?
BIOS-based or firmware-based tracking solutions are designed to reside in the device's firmware or BIOS, instead of the operating system. This makes them resistant to factory resets and even hard drive swaps. Examples of these include technologies like CompuTrace by Absolute Software, which is embedded in the firmware of many laptops. Remember, however, that these solutions often require professional setup and may not be available for all models of laptops.
How about hardware-based tracking devices?
Another potential solution is hardware-based tracking devices. These can be physically attached to or installed in the laptop. They have their own power supply and can send a tracking signal even if the laptop is off or has been reset. However, these are generally more suitable for high-value corporate assets due to the cost and complexity of installation. In conclusion, tracking a laptop after a factory reset can be challenging. Traditional software solutions may not be able to help once the device is reset, but BIOS-based or firmware-based tracking solutions and hardware-based tracking devices can offer a potential workaround. Always remember, the best defense is proactive. Secure your devices, keep backups of your data, and take necessary precautions to prevent theft. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the intricacies of laptop tracking post a factory reset. Stay safe and secure.